All rise. Judge of the B Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1039, Sutton case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Ms. Sultan, you're back. And I see that you got, well, dad or potential father served. What's your name, sir?
My name is Stephen Pippin.
Mr. Pippin. Okay. You understand why you are here today, right?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay. You know I ordered you to have DNA testing done a month ago.
Yes.
And so we can determine child support, what it's going to be in this case. And I don't have anything from the testing center showing that you showed up. So what's going on with that?
Because I didn't take it. I mean, I don't know what she's talking about.
So I order you to do something. This is not about her right now. I order you to do something and you just decide on your own, I'm not going to do it?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm the father, so I don't have to take the DNA.
All right, folks, it's time for another heated child support battle. Miss Olin is back in court, and this time she's brought a potential father, Mr. Stephen Pittman. The judge wastes no time demanding answers. Why hasn't Mr. Pittman taken the court-ordered DNA test from a month ago? His excuse: he's too busy and doesn't believe he's the father. The tension is thick as the judge gears up to hold him accountable. Let's see how this unfolds.
Well, if you don't think you're the father, wouldn't it make sense to go ahead and take the DNA test?
Yeah, but I mean, it's all this long process. I'm a busy man. I got a lot of stuff on my plate right now, so I don't have time to sit back and
Well, how busy are you? What do you do?
I'm a waiter.
Oh.
And I'm a full-time student.
Oh, okay.
So I don't have time for the games and all this testing, DNA testing, all that. I don't have time for it.
All right, so you work every day as a waiter?
Yes.
Did you bring anything today to show that you're waiting tables? Any type of financial information?
I ain't bring that.
Oh, so you didn't care about that either. So did you bring anything to show that you're enrolled as a full-time student?
Nah, I ain't bring none of that.
So you just came to court unprepared today and you just think I should go along with that, right?
And if that's what you want to call unprepared, yeah.
When did you start working as a waiter?
About 4 months ago.
What did you do 4 months ago?
I had a full-time job working as a consultant.
All right. How much money were you making?
$63,000.
Hold on. How did you say your baby was?
5 months.
5 months. And you just stopped working there 4 months ago?
Yeah, they had some layoffs, and I kind of thought that they were going to start laying some people off, so I decided to go ahead and quit.
So you quit?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't quit because you figured she was probably going to put you on child support?
Nah, I just...
Are you sure about that? Because it's mighty funny that this child is 5 months old and you just stopped working that job 4 months ago. How much money were you making?
$63,000.
$63,000 a year? And you're making how much as a waiter?
I did it because I'm a student, so I'll probably make around $15 an hour.
Oh, no. You came here to waste my time. You obviously came here to waste my time.
Mr. Pittman's defense: weak, at best. He admits to skipping the DNA test, blaming his busy schedule as a waiter and full-time student. But the judge isn't buying it, especially when he fails to provide any proof of his job or enrollment. His excuses pile up fast, but the judge sees right through them. And when she discovers he quit a $63,000 a year job just 4 months ago, the stakes get even higher.
I am not going to place you on child support for $15 an hour and you just start working a job paying you $63,000 a year. You see how crazy that sounds?
I mean, I think it's crazy that you using my $63,000 income. I don't even work there no more.
You don't have to work there, but it sounds like you intentionally stopped working there because you thought she was going to put you on child support.
No.
So you just disappeared on her?
Because I'm not the father. Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm at work.
But we don't know that you're not the father because I ordered you to go and get DNA testing. So we could have found that out today. But you know what? We don't have to do it. You know why? Because I can deem you the father today because I ordered you to do it and you didn't do it. That's what we're going to do. That's exactly what we're going to do. So, Who carries health insurance? Well, never mind. That was a bad question.
Yeah, it's me.
You carry health insurance.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
much is it?
$750.
$750. Does that include you and the child?
Yes, it does.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is split that in half, because child support, his obligation, he's only responsible to pay health insurance for the child only. Okay. So based on $63,000 a year, I have your monthly gross at $5,250. That brings your net to $4,226.99. How many other children you have? No other children?
No other children.
Well, I hope not. I hope you're not ghosting on them either, because that's exactly what you did to her. So I have your monthly child support obligation at $845 plus $375, which is half of that $750 for health insurance for the child. Your monthly obligation is $1,220.
The judge doesn't hold back. She calls out Mr. Pittman for intentionally leaving his high-paying job, likely to dodge child support. Despite his claims of struggling as a student and waiter, she bases his child support on his previous $63,000 salary, ordering him to pay $1,220 per month, including half of the child's health insurance. And since he ignored the DNA test, the judge declares him the father by default. No more excuses, just consequences.
And I'm ordering you to do that. And you don't have any control over that, because that goes through a state agency and it'll just
I'll
withhold
just
from you.
go ahead and just submit my W-2s whenever I get them. I'll come back.
Oh, okay, that's fine. But today, this is what we're doing. Since you came in here unprepared and not caring about anything, you don't care about that $1,220 either then, right?
Okay, I guess so. But we'll get updated. I'm not tripping.
Okay, well, we can do that at a later date. Do you have any other questions?
No, I don't got no questions.
Okay, do you have any other questions? Okay, if nothing further.
Mr. Pittman isn't happy with the ruling, but the judge shuts him down fast. Court orders aren't optional, and dodging responsibility comes with consequences. She makes one thing clear: the child's well-being comes first, not his excuses or financial maneuvering. As the case wraps up, she delivers a final dose of tough love. Parenting is about responsibility, not avoidance. In Texas, refusing a court-ordered DNA test means being declared the father by default. Financial responsibility isn't just a legal obligation, it's a necessity for a child's future. If you know someone in a similar situation, share their story. Because in child support court, every decision shapes a child's life.